Hey people, welcome to sbcooks. Today let's prepare tasty veg pulao. Firstly, let's take mixie jar, add some chilies, ginger, garlic, some cumin seeds, pepper seeds, and some other masala items as per your taste. I am using these masala items as shown. Take some grated coconut, add little bit of turmeric and blend it once. Now add coriander, add some water and blend it properly. Paste is ready. Let's take this paste into a bowl and keep this aside. Now switch on the stove, place cooker, add 2 tablespoons of oil, 1.5 tablespoon of ghee, add some mustard seeds, chana dal, urad dal, some chilies and give it a mix. Now add anise flower, onions, little bit of turmeric and salt and give it a mix. Now let's add the paste as we prepared earlier and give it a mix. Let's add some vegetables. I am using these vegetables. You can use the vegetables as per your wish. Add soaked groundnut and peas. Add rice and water in the ratio of 1:3, that is for 1 cup of rice add 3 cups of water. Now mix it well. Add salt as per taste. Close the cooker lid and let's wait up to 3 whistles. Until then, let's prepare raita. Take some buttermilk, add onions, cucumber and mix well. Add some tadka and salt as per taste. Raita is ready. Done with 3 whistles. Let's open the lid. Aroma is awesome. Let's take this into basin and spread well. Tasty pulao is ready to eat. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates. Don't forget to comment below. Thanks for watching.